Hey teachers, are you writing lesson plans from scratch again? Well, with the right kind of prompt and some AI, you can skip that blank page. So I'm going to show my hands like this to be like brackets. So for example, you could say create a grade subject lesson plan aligned to standard with activity type or assessment. So for example, create a fourth grade science plan on ecosystems aligned to NGSS with hands-on activities and an exit ticket. To make your lessons even more engaging, make sure that you're adding on modifiers like adapt for English language learners, or differentiate by reading level, or include kinesthetic and auditory modalities in this lesson. Make sure you grab my freebie, which has some full lesson plan templates that you can grab and go. Just copy and paste and adapt to your situation and tweak and have fun.